Welcome everybody to the marital ceremony of our beloved Julian and Alexandra. Pray for us with them as we are asking God's blessings to be bestowed upon them this day and for the rest of their lives, and asking that they be kept under the mantle of His Most Holy Mother.
There's a certain level of peace I didn't know I was going to achieve until I reached the gates of heaven, God willingly. But somehow He gave me a piece of it on earth when He gifted me. Those are always the best stories, and I'm so grateful it's ours. I know I fought tooth and nail to resist your grease or curl, but there's just something about it. I think I really knew you were the one when we synchronized our finger tapping to the musical notes at that candlelight concert. You've never failed to amaze me since.
I'm so excited for Alexandra as she steps into this next chapter of her life. I have no doubt that you are going to thrive in every way. It's taking everything in me to not pour my heart out about how much I already miss you. I know that this is the life that you prayed for with your entire heart. Thank you for always being unapologetically you, full of grace, authenticity, and kindness. You give so much of yourself to everyone around you, and that is one of the many reasons why you hold such a special place in not only my heart, but everyone's heart.
Should we ask them? You like it? I love it.
Okay.
Love you.
Finally.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Finally.
Oh my God.
Love you.
I love
I
you.
love you.
So proud, baby.
Thank you for everything.
It's amazing.
You like it?
Yeah. Besides me, there is one more luckiest guys in the world. And we'll see him later.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, yes.
I love you, baby.
Growing up, I always looked up to my older brother, Julian. He's always been there for me, honest, never biased, and always had my back 100% of the time. When I finally met Alexandra, my first thought was, okay, this is a match made in heaven. But just hearing his tone that day, I could tell he was happy, genuinely happy. To my new sister, Alexandra, you've been nothing but a blessing to Julian's life. You're kind, thoughtful, and welcoming. The hospitality you and your family have shown mine says it all.
Before I ever even met you, you changed my life forever. When I was sent a picture of this random girl doing a fake laugh pose in an orange dress, the only words I could utter were, "I'll marry her." Little did I know that God heard that and He just said, "Bet."
O faithful son, Julian, you have come forward with the intention to espouse Alexandra, the daughter of Arkan. Do you freely choose her to be your wife in a lawful marriage that is permanent, inseparable, without force, and with your free will according to the law of Christ and the rules of the Holy Church?
I do. I've grown to love so much about who you are, your enthusiasm for life, your relationship with God, the way you'll cut mid-conversation calling someone a moron when you're driving, and the way you'll gush over the same avocado toast you eat every single day. We've had a lot of ups, a few downs, life's challenges, and what feels like a trip around the moon in Delta flights, just to see one another. But I would do it all over again knowing it would bring me here today to this moment where my rock, my confidant, my best friend and I become we.
Alexandra, you have come forward with the intention to espouse Julian, the son of Salam. Do you freely choose him to be your husband in a lawful marriage that is permanent, inseparable, without force, and with your free will according to the law of Christ and the rules of the Holy Church?
I do. You are by far and away the most thoughtful, intelligent, kind, generous, faithful, and true person I know. God carved you in the most impeccable ways, mind, body, spirit. I cannot wait to see how it is poured into our children someday. You make me yearn for better even more than I knew before, which always was for the stars. I thought I may at least land on the moon if along the way would miss some marks, but you triumph over any capacity we know in this universe. Thank you. Thank you for doing everything right, and for never giving up or letting me run.
Today, Father and Keto will ask me if I take you to be my wife, but you will always be so much more to me than that. You are my partner in every triumph and every storm, the person I want to grow old with, dream with, and fall in love with every day until my breath becomes air.
I love you until my last breath, when our toddlers are running around, until we are sick and needy, and when we reach every dream we create together. You're my partner for life, and I got you, honey.
God calls you now. It's a calling out of yourself for the good of another. It implies sacrifice. It necessitates self-giving love.
You two share such a strong love, and it's so vividly formed by God's grace. I love Julian so much, and I can say in full confidence that you are in such great hands. You truly have found your soulmate.
The joy of this current wine, the first wine, will run out eventually. And when that does, hidden in the background, if you've invited them, is Jesus and Mary watching. And Mary will tell Jesus on your behalf, they've run out of wine. And the wine that you get after is greater wine. So be rooted in your prayer lives together. Go home and make your home an extension of the church.
It's not just about making each other's lives better, it's about making the lives of everyone around you better too. And you two bring joy to everyone who loves you.
You were perfect. You were simultaneously everything I was looking for and everything I never knew could exist. Alexandra,
accept this ring
accept this ring
as a sign
of
my love for you.
as my love for you.
Julian,
Accept this ring
accept this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love for you.
of my love for you.
One of the best pieces of marriage advice I've ever received was from a patient who told me that him and his wife have been together for nearly 70 years. And he said, even when the days with her feel like eternity, the years are always going to be short, so enjoy it. So I promise you that even on our days that feel longer than it takes for you to decide what you want to eat, I will always stand by you, love you, and honor you until our time here transitions us to the other side.
Julian and Alexandra are like ChatGPT's version of a perfect couple. Intelligent, balanced, and always upgrading each other to the latest software version. May your life together be filled with as much love, laughter, and curiosity as you've given all of us tonight.
First, we want to congratulate Alexandra and Julian. We can't wait to see what's next for you guys. You are perfect for each other, and we couldn't be happier. We adore you both.